Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about automatically silencing notifications when you're driving on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another Android-based device, in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the safety and emergency tile. And now scroll down where it says silence notifications while driving. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to enable do not disturb while driving, you can click inside this oval one time to turn that on. Conversely, if you want to disable do not disturb while driving, you can click inside the oval again and that'll turn it off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.